Welcome to Moving North East. We recently moved up to the North East since COVID. We are Andy and Shida. Come and explore with us. We're just at Marsden Beach in nesting season, where we can see all of the seagulls nesting on the cliffs here. It's a wonderful sight. Please don't forget to like and subscribe so we can make more content within the area and surrounding areas. We're just at Marsden Beach today. It's on a rather windy day, not ideal for beach weather, but we're here because of all the nesting birds here. As you can see at Marsden Rock behind us, and the structure there is the elevator going down into the cave. Despite all the signs from the grotto, you can get to the beach via the elevator. It just takes you into the bar, and then you go out the door onto the beach. At this point, I've gone straight out the door to the left onto the beach with the dog. The grotto itself is built into a cave. It has a restaurant and hotel just above it with seaside views. In 1782, Jack Bates, or Jack the Blaster he's known as, used dynamite from a local quarry in order to blast out the caves here, starting what we see today. The grotto itself is an ideal place to grab a drink and look at the seaside views. It's overlooking Marsden Rock, which is famous for its nesting birds. On top you'll notice the cormorants as well as herring gulls. The crow. The sheer limestone cliffs are absolutely packed with the gulls. As you can see, a bird was trying to attack them while they were nesting. It's quite a racket. The beach itself has a beautiful rugged charm to it. I don't know if it can be seen, but the reason all the seagulls are flying off the cliffs are due to a blackbird or a crow. Oh, you got sea glass. Quite a lot here. Usually we would use the elevator again, but we're climbing up the steps just for your amusement.